This is the Ascend P2, which we announced on Sunday, and it's on Sunday. It's the world's fastest phone. Reason we say it's the world's fastest phone, it downloads at 150 megabits per second, uploads category 4, really quick. If you take all of the LTE devices that are out on the market at the moment use category 3, you familiar with that? So category 3 is 100 down, 50 up. So this is a big step forward. It comes from the fact that we are a network developer as well as a handset manufacturer. Our expertise is very much in LTE. We are we own a huge proportion of the IP in LTE. The device has a 13 megapixel camera, which is effectively the module that you'll see on a lot of devices out here around the show today. The big difference between this and the other devices, as much as that camera module is brilliant, is that the product comes with a camera button. That's my finger in the way. It has our own processor, which is a 1.5 gigahertz quad core. It has the very latest video compression technology, which is H.265, which means again the speed keeps getting enhanced. The more of these things you add into the process, these things enhance. It may be LTE Cat 4, but it will also work on Cat 3. It will also work on dual carrier 42 megabits a second, it'll work on 21, it'll work on 14, it'll work on 7. Whatever you want, it'll do. If you go back the other way and say, well, will it work on the different bands? Yes, it works on 800, 850, 900, 2600, 2100, and the list goes on. So it's a very versatile product as well as being capable of the latest speeds. So what you get here is a product that there's no such thing as a future-proof phone, but it's far more future-proof than anything else that you see out there at the moment. It's got a 4.7-inch screen. It's not the biggest screen you'll see here today by any means. The difference is this is not our top-of-the-range phone. This is a phone that's aimed at a mid-tier contract market, and we expect to be fairly aggressively priced here. In Europe, it's been announced as a street price of €399, which will give you a bit of a benchmark as to how it sits. It has our Emotion UI, which is this here. This is entirely customizable. It's probably not the best example. You've got some blank faces there, but what you can adjust this to whatever you might like. Completely customize it to yourself. It's got 100 different themes out of the box, so it's a very personalizable phone. And that, in essence, is the P2.